Drink some fucking water today because you need it. Your body deserves better. Do better. Okay, love you. Let's go. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rachay here, back again with another video. As you can tell, I'm in the same spot as my channel intro, in the same clothes. It's the same day. Yes, my house is still a mess. Today I decided that I was gonna go ahead and upload my little glow up for you guys. So if you want to see some cute glow upness from me for the first time in like ever, keep watching. So the original plan was just to cut my hair because I needed something different. I was absolutely tired of it, but along the lines of these past couple days, this was filmed in March of last year, by the way, the story kind of changed and I was just really sad and depressed. So yeah, this is me sitting in the waiting room for getting my hair cut. And of course, this is how my hair looked before. Y'all have already seen it. This is how much she took off. And of course, y'all know the rest. Surprise! I have a fro now, motherfuckers. Welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, the next day, this is where the story did change, and I kind of got really sad. I don't feel well today. I'm trying my hardest not to cry, but you know when you fall in love with someone, but it's crazy because you didn't believe you knew what love was until you met that person, because everyone before him just treated you like trash and was the worst type of person ever. And this person tells you that they love you and that they're in love with you and they want to be with you and they're not going anywhere, and then just like they do the past 3 times before, leave you 2 weeks in because they can't handle the fact that they quote unquote love you. And then you miss them a lot, and it's been God knows how long, going on a year back and forth, and I still miss the person. Only to find out that they're in a relationship, because they officially put it on Facebook, which is funny because they never wanted to do that with me, but okay, whatever. I'm gonna do what I do best and pretend that I have no feelings. Sorry for the depressing intro. Let's go get stuff done today. So the new plan was to cut my hair, which I already did. Then I was gonna go to a spa and treat myself because I was really sad. I was gonna whiten my teeth. I was gonna get my first dermaplan. Then I was gonna get my eyebrows done. I've never done that. And of course, take a photo shoot or do a photo shoot. So this was the spa. It was very interesting sitting in this room, but quite relaxing actually. I was inhaling salt, which was something new. Then they put me in a float tank cabin thingy. This is what the room actually looked like. I did have to swim in this tub right here naked, which was a little bit weird, but I probably floated in the dark for about an hour because the lights do go off. Then I was whitening my teeth. This is what the kit was. I will put it down below. It's from Amazon. This was a very interesting process of boiling water and molding my teeth, and then doing this for about an hour, which I was trying not to spit it out because my roommate was making me laugh. The next thing, of course, was the dermaplaning session. First session, this was my face hair that came off. It was so gross, but I look adorable. I really like it. I look cute. Y'all, go to Maya's. She's so amazing. And then, obviously, get my eyebrows done, which is something new to me because I didn't think I had eyebrows. This is the one she did. This is the one untouched. So, obviously, I was very excited. This is the next day after that. After both eyebrows were done, I promise you they're both even. They're just brushed weird ways, or they're trying to go weird ways. I definitely gotta fix that eventually. And then lastly, the only thing I had to do left was, of course, get ready for the photo shoot. So this is my quick little hair routine that I learned after I got my hair cut. Very, very interesting because I've never done it this way before, but the curls come out poppin', so I absolutely love them. And then it's photo shoot time.
So I bought these little butterfly thingies off of Amazon, and I put them all over me, and I had, of course, 2 different outfits, but you're only gonna see me video record this one. And my poor photographer took me to this park, and I absolutely had the time of my life. He probably told me to stay still like quite a bit of times. But we did have fun, and overall I did love it. We had a lot of fun, and of course this is how the photos turned out.
Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you next time.